9, Philip Budel. Number 19, Melvin McBride. Number 14, Christian Coronel. Number 14, Travis Daw. Number 28, Norman Gonzalez. Number 8, Paulo Mendoza. Number 18, Joseph Yo. Point guard spot. He is the first timer in the PBA Finals of the Conference Steals leader, wearing jersey number 32, Daniel Miranda. A grizzled veteran, he is one of the top big men in the league and one of the best rebounders. Wearing jersey number 16, Dennis Gomez Espino. He is the third overall draft pick of the Santa Lucia Realtors in the 2007 PBA draft and one of the favorites to win the Rookie of the Year honors this season. A product of California State University, Ryan Reyes. He is one of the league's best small forwards and one of the most underrated players today, even with his spectacular plays, which have helped the Realtors reach the finals. Standing 6'4", number 3, Nelbert Arnold. Last but not least is last year's Rookie of the Year and continues to be Santa Lucia's franchise player, leading the Realtors to new heights, the Silvers, with his high-flying wings, outside sniping, and tremendous footwork. The machine gun, Kelly Williams. Eyeing his first ever taste of the championship in the PBA is Santa Lucia head coach Boyan Fernandez. And at this time, our assistant coaches Adonis Sierra and Cholo Martin. Assistant team manager is attorney Aniel Magno, and team manager and governor to the PBA board is Mr. Buddy Encarnado. Wearing jersey number 9, Robert Sons. Number 20, R.D. Woodall. Number 6, Amanzi Rodriguez. Number 28, Richard Yee. Number 7, Ray Evangelista. Number 14, Noy Castillo. Number 1, Chico Laneta. Number 5, Jordan Salvador. Number 8, Peter Juzlo. He is a former University of San Jose Recoletos standout, a backcourt veteran seeing action in his fourth PBA Finals, Roger Young. He is the center of attraction for the Pure Foods CJ Giants and among the top big men and best rebounders in the league today. Standing 6'6", the General Romero Adumbul. He is the league's defensive player of the year and most improved player 2 seasons ago, who's still a key figure in Pure Foods credit block line rotation. Standing 6'4", number 15, Mark Inglis. He is without a doubt among the best at his position and is the best passing big man in the PBA today. Number 21, Kirby Randugo. He is the league's MVP 2 seasons ago, who is determined to bring Pure Foods back to the promised land with his virtually unstoppable scoring and footwork. One of the most popular players in the country today, Mr. Big Game, James Young. Looking to become the winningest coach in Pure Foods history is head coach Ryan Gregorio, and he will be assisted by Ronnie Manzano, Clay Manal, and Gaio Mendoza. Team manager is the captain, Alvin Patrimonio.
So we will all wait and see if Kelly Williams will have more touches here in game number 7 as we take a look at the starters for Pure Foods. Of course, it's Roger and James Yap. At the center position, you have Romel Adumbul, Mark Inglis, who had a monster ball game in game number 6, starting in the forward position, and Kirby Raimundo completing that lineup. Para naman po dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors, no changes here. It's Denok Miranda and Ryan Reyes taking care of the backcourt. Dennis Espino, the veteran at the center. Bitoy Omolon, and of course, Kelly Williams starting out for the Santa Lucia Realtors. And the ball game is underway. Santa Lucia po ang may unang crack at the basket. Here's Denok Miranda, medium jumper, being missed. Omolon with an offensive rebound.
You have to remember, Nelbert Omolon scoreless in the last game, trying to get himself involved. But Mark Inglis again, he is the top defensive guy para sa Pure Foods. He has blocked that shot.
And that's a statement on defense on the part of Pure Foods. They go to Kirby Raimundo at the post, doble. Kirby Raimundo loses the ball. Here's Omolon leading the break para sa Santa Lucia. Miranda to Kelly Williams. Inside to Omolon. A sorry miss para dito kay Bitoy Omolon.
Remember, Richard, in the last game, Santa Lucia also started very tight. Right now, he just missed a easy layup. Tingnan natin kung itong Santa Lucia magbabago na yung timpla.
Wala pa po nakakapuntos in this game number 7. Ito, Ryan Reyes from the corner. Bang! That's a DM press coming from Ryan Reyes, who might be a surprise player for Santa Lucia here in Game 7 if you take a look back to performance in Game 7 in the semifinal series.
In the semifinal series, they beat Alaska. Ryan Reyes was the best player of that game. Strange, because this is the rookie of the team. Pero ito si Ryan Reyes, hindi na ata alam na rookie siya.
Ito naman, JC. No! Missing his first attempt at the basket at may loose ball foul. Tinatawag ng ating officials. Williams posting up against Raimundo. And may foul na nakita sa referee Boy Cruz against Kirby Raimundo.
I gotta look at those first couple of attempts of Kelly Williams. Usually he has a problem, yung stroke niya minsan nawawala sa forma. Yung pag-start ng game, masama yung stroke niya, nagtutuloy-tuloy yan. So you have to look at how he's shooting that basketball.
Missed by Bitoy Omolon. And Pingris clears another rebound. Pingris coming off a 21 rebound game in game number 6. Ito, Roger Yap, ginugulo ni Ryan Reyes. And he is hemmed out. A push by Ryan Reyes. But the pressure defense, as we take a look to Santa Lucia starting on a man-to-man defense as compared, nag-zone sila in game number 6.
Well, there has to be adjustments that have to be made, Richard. Santa Lucia may have gone to that zone a little too early in that last game. Ngayon, binago nila. Tao-tao kagad. And you know, right there, James Yap has to work doubly hard if itong Santa Lucia is playing man-to-man. Right there, he got his first foul.
James Yap trying to get away from the defense of Den of Miranda. Referee Boy Cruz very adamant in that call. Offensive foul on James Yap.
Still scoreless itong Pure Foods. 2.5 minutes gone already.
Here's Den of Miranda. Finds Ryan Reyes. Strong move to the basket. Reyes. And James Yap will be called for his second personal foul. And clearly attacking the defense of big game James is Santa Lucia. It's a common ploy for teams to really attack the defense of the best offensive player of the opposing team.
But you have to give it to this guy, Ryan Reyes. He's a rookie. Tapos siya, na-realize niya agad na si James Yap has one personal foul. Of course, he's big game James, but right now, para sa Pure Foods, they have a big problem because he already has 2 personal fouls. And we're still very early sa ating first quarter.
A split from the line para dito kay Ryan Reyes makes it 4-0 in favor of the Realtors. Ito na ngayon si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, naksak sa loob. Wala pa rin ang kanyang tira pero meron nakitang foul. May tulak raw, sabi ni referee Joey Galongkagin against Dennis Espino. I like that move by Roger Yap dahil nga they're looking for their first points of the ball game. And that's the way to take it strong. Kaso, nagmintis pa rin dito sa free throw line. Ito si Roger Yap.
You know, when you are being pressured that much in the backcourt, one of the ways to break that pressure para mawala yung pressure na yan is to drive past that defender para umatras siya ng konti at respetuhin na dadrivean ka pag hindi masyadong madikit ang depensa mo.
Finally breaking the ice para sa Pure Foods. Ito si Roger Yap. Reyes again for 3. Nagpintis. Transition offense para sa Pure Foods ngayon. Roger Yap. Nabunggo ni Miranda. He falls down. And sabi ni referee Art Herrera, may foul kaya bumaksak. And then Miranda is called for his first foul. And you know, players at this time, as we see si Coach Boyet, medyo may iling-iling, but they really have to adjust of the way the game is being called dito sa ating first quarter.
I remember at the start of this conference, we talked about the 3Ds, dislodge, displace, and dispossess. Nakita natin doon si Roger Yap almost got dispossessed, and obviously he was dislodged, and that's why the referees had to call that foul.
Here's James Yap. He makes the room, goes to his left. Supahit pa naman ang inabot. Second survey, wala pa rin. Nagawa ng bola, napunta kay Dennis Espino. Here's Ryan Reyes looking down court. Reyes finds Kelly Williams, shoots a three.
That's way off.
Short.
Way off.
Well, we saw him in game number 6 shooting a lot of air balls as well. Ito si Kelly Williams.
Richard, that was about a foot short and a foot off to the right. Talaga ang layo ng tira na yun. But let's see if Kelly Williams still has that confidence in his stroke.
Good ball pressure here by Ryan Reyes and good defensive stance by Bitoy Omolon at the post. Another offensive rebound tinawag dito kay Mark Pingris. Or offensive foul rather. Mark Pingris warding off with the offhand.
But that's the defense of Santa Lucia that was able to do that. You don't really want to give Mark Pingris the ball pag lumagpas na siya doon sa free throw line. Sa pagkakataon na yun, he was about in the 3-point range and he had to take about 3 dribbles bago siya umabot sa basket. And that's why nakakuha ng offensive foul ang Santa Lucia.
Here's Kelly Williams and he makes the adjustment. Long 2 lamang yan para dito kay Kelly Williams, but enough to give Santa Lucia a 5-point lead.
And even much more confidence in that stroke, Richard. Yung tira na yun, that was early in their offense and he had the confidence to take that jump shot.
Masyadong mahigpit ang pagkakabantay itong si Bitoy Omolon. That's the first foul on Bitoy Omolon. 4th team foul on the Realtors. Roger Yap guarded by Ryan Reyes. Hinahanap ulit nila ito si Kirby. Kirby makes his move. Kirby to Aduko. Yes! That's the first field goal pala dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Yeah, chalk up the first assist para kay Kirby Raimundo. In the last game, he had a career high in assists, 11 assists. Ito maganda kay Kirby. He realizes what he has to do. Anything para mapanalo yung kanyang kupunan.
Ito na ngayon ang open look for Denok Miranda. He's strong at the one ng bola. Roger Yap getting it for Pure Foods. Here's James Yap. Picked up high by Denok Miranda. Oh, Eric pass. Sinubukang save yun ni Mike Pingris. Ito na ngayon ang fast break play for the Realtors. Ryan Reyes. Would have been nice kung nakompleto, no? Pero sabi ni Roger Yap, not tonight.
And not in front of me.
Yes.
Ano naman?
Ito, makikita natin. Ang ganda na eh. Exhibition na dribble na.
Parang bata, huwag na maharap-harapan.
Ball in the hands of James Yap. Ryan Reyes taking a lot of shots. Very offensive-minded siya dito sa game number 7.
So one of the guys that actually had a solid game in that last game in Game 6 had 2 turnovers to end that game. Pero kaya nga sinabi natin, ito Ryan Reyes, walang kaba at saka hindi niya alam na rookie siya dito sa PBA.
Here's Roger Yap. Naupo na naman sa ere. And he has 3 points for the Pure Foods TJ Giants. You know, a lot of guys from Pure Foods really has to take up on the scoring cudgels. At masyadong tight ang pagbantay dito with James Yap. Another block here by Mark Pingris. Here's Roger Yap against the ball. He goes up. Can't make a basket. Denok Miranda on the other end. Denok sinalubong dito si Mark Pingris. Kelly Williams drives baseline. Pulls up. No! Kapit ni Dennis Espino. Napunta kay Miranda. Balik kay Espino. Espino bumangga kay Raimundo. Espino. Pure Foods asking for an offensive foul. And Coach Ryan Gregorio is up in arms. Adukol matatawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. Dito natin dito, Dennis Espino. Bangga kay Raimundo, but Santa Lucia is up by 165. That's a tale of two coaches, both young, both energetic, both very ambitious. Nagmintis po si Dennis Espino sa kanyang dalawang free throw, so the score remains at 65. Joseph Yu pumasok na po sa ating ball game.
I know Richard, ito Santa Lucia really having a different time scoring. They've had so many attempts. 1 out of 5 from the 3-point range, 1 out of 8 mula sa 2-point range. Tapos sa free throw, nakita mo nga kanina, now they are 1 out of 4 mula sa free throw. So hindi talaga makakuha ng puntos ito sa Santa Lucia.
Nakikita nga natin itong finals averages dito si Kirby Raimundo.
A well-rounded finals average. And as you can see, meron siyang puntos, meron siyang rebound, meron siyang assist. Really an all-around performance mula dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
The only bad thing that happened sa Game 6 for Kirby Raimundo was 7 turnovers, no? That is forgivable as long as you win the ball game. Lamang na po dito ang Pure Foods, 7-6. Joseph Yo against Peter Jun Simon. Baksak si Joseph Yo. Yo, muntik na tapigan. Kicks it out. 8 seconds to shot clock ng Santa Lucia. Pumaposes si Kelly Williams against Raimundo. 5 seconds to shoot. Face up jumper, no good. Rebound again to Mark Pingris.
The subtle substitution right there. James Yap, nilabas na maaga. Napansin ni Coach Ryan Gregorio yung depensa ng Santa Lucia. Ready kay James. So pinasok niyo muna si PJ Simon para naman itong Santa Lucia hindi masyado makuha ang laro ni James.
And almost automatically, pag walang James Yap, they go almost exclusively naman to Kirby Raimundo. The last 2 offensive patterns nitong Pure Foods, bola ends up in the hands of Kirby Raimundo.
Yeah, that's really what they like to do, Richard. They want to give the ball to Kirby. They like to give it to James. And of course, ito pag si PJ Simon, pag pumapasok, he also gets some touches as well.
Well, hindi na-inbound ni Mark Pingris yung bola, kaya tumawag ng timeout of Pure Foods TJ Giants. Lamang na po sila ng isa, 7-6.
Well, Richard, sabi sa akin ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, last game try nila, well, survival. Ngayon daw, game number 7, sinabi niya sa akin is their desire to inspire. 0-2 sila in this series, nagsimula, tapos game number 5, wala si James Yap. Kaya sinabi niya sa akin, they just wanna prove na kahit 0-2 sila, dami nila naging distractions, they still wanna come out and win tonight. Richard?
Thank you very much, Eric. Well, they did start out flat, pero ngayon lamang na sila ng 3 courtesy of that jumper by Peter Jun Simon to beat the shot clock.
But that's what he does. Remember, he is the super sub. You know, just one game. I think just one game it was a letdown para kay Peter Jun Simon. But all in all, a solid series para sa kanya.
A gliding layup by Joseph the Ninja EO. Only played 9 minutes in game number 6.
He did play 9 minutes, Richard. Pero yung 9 minutes na yun, naka-8 puntos siya. So, instant offense rin ito si Joseph yun.
Here's Mark Pingris. Pingris, hinahanap si Rubel Adupol, binigay kay Kirby. Top of the key, 6 seconds to shoot. Kirby goes to his right. He spins, he goes up, binigay kay Mark Pingris. At in the nick of time, dalawang last second shot para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Yeah, that's just maturity. Kirby doesn't want to force his shot. Alam niya na dumadating yung tulong mula sa Santa Lucia. Kaya may nalilibre siyang mga teammate.
Here's Joseph Yo. To Espino. Long two and nails it. Dennis Espino, mga kaibigan. Magandang pinakita nung game number 6, scored 22 points. Pero hindi naging sapat yun para makakuha nila yung corona. Ito na ngayon, Smart Fingers. Adufol. Kicks it out. Kirby Raimundo against Bitoy Omolon. Kirby. To Fingers. 6 seconds to shoot. By Castillo. That is straight. And uncertain here for Kirby Raimundo. It was from foul.
I believe not since the days that we saw Mon Fernandez leading his team in assists. Nakakita tayo ngayon na isang malaking player na siya rin ang numero 1 sa kanyang koponan pagdating ng assist. As Mark Pingris makes that free throw. Remember, Mark Pingris also critical para dito sa Pure Foods because he is the energy guy. They feed the energy out of Mark Pingris. So goes Mark Pingris' energy. Ganun din yung energy nitong Pure Foods.
Because they're playing against a team full of energy. Kelly Williams, Brian Reyes, Jonathan Miranda. Ito nakaagay naman ng Pure Foods. Peter Jun Simon, Pinangani, Norman Gonzalez. And you can expect these kinds of fouls all throughout this ball game. This is game number 7, mga kaibigan.
They call it championship type fouls ang tinatawag dyan. You don't want to give end one situations. You want to give the right foul all the time. And that foul, alam natin, even though it is on the penalty, napaganda para sa Santa Lucia dahil nagminti si PJ Simon nung una niyang tira.
As like his game number 5 performance, siya po ina-expect kasi na talagang to take over pag wala ito si James Yap. Gonzalez shoots a three. He's strong. Pingris again. With that statement, rebound. Pang-5 rebound na yan ni Mark Pingris. Noy Castillo, ginugulo nito si Denok Miranda. Looking for Kirby Raimundo. Denied by Gonzalez. Ito si Jonathan Salvador. Salvador missing and Kelly gets that rebound. Denok Miranda, sinalubong ito si Noy Castillo. Kicks it up. Norman Gonzalez. CSS coming from Norman Gonzalez.
A much better shot coming from Norman Gonzalez than that first 3-point shot. PJ Simon. No cheer offense. Inatake nila kaagad yung depensa na Santa Lucia. We talked about the big men must dominate. The combination of Pingris, Raimundo, and Adupol doing much better than the big men of Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia, Joseph Leo ngayon. That back jumper, no good. Pingris again. Flying high for that rebound. And you know, that's what started it all for Pure Foods, is the rebounding of Pingris in game number 6.
You know, he's one of those guys na pag rebound, yung crowd, pumapalakpak.
Nagre-react eh.
Oo.
Ito, Kirby Raimundo. Norman Gonzalez pass to guard it this time. He goes baseline, pulls up, fade away. Wala! Andiyan si Jonathan Salvador and he gets the points. Wrong aspect in game number 6. Offensive rebounds. Iyan ang ginawa maganda ng Pure Foods.
Well, rebounding, they're the best offensive rebounding team in the league. At nakikita natin, Kirby Raimundo attracts so much of the defense of Santa Lucia na yung malalaki nila nalilibre sa drop pass o kaya sa offensive rebound.
Denok Miranda just muscling his way inside against the defense of Noy Castillo. First 2 points lamang po yan para dito kay Denok Miranda. Raimundo, they move the ball around. There's a strong drive by Peter Jun Simon, pero may foul na naman at nasa penalty na nga po itong Santa Lucia. Alright, 2 fouls for Denok Miranda.
Para kay Peter Jun Simon, we showed a while ago, Richard, he only had 4 points in that last game. Dito sa ating laro, he has already outscored his performance in the last game. Dahil ito si PJ Simon, 6 points na, chance to make it 7 points. So, critical substitution early, pinalitan si Yap, pumasok si PJ Simon, nagbubunga para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio.
That's a good sign for Pure Foods that they can maintain this lead kahit wala nga si Yap on the floor. And now, bumalik na si James Yap. Pinagpahinga naman muna si Kirby Raimundo. 40 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Joseph Yo swings it to Kelly Williams for three. Bang! And miss Kelly Williams. And that is the third three-point basket for Santa Lucia here in the first quarter.
3-point shooting, keeping them alive once more. Itong Realtors, mga puntos nila nanggagaling na naman sa 3-point range.
Ito, Santa Lucia with a chance to take the last shot of the quarter.
But they have to be smart because I believe Liverpool still has one more foul to give.
Paolo Aquino, pumapos kay Jordan Salvador. Aquino makes his move. Aquino, one fake. Wala na, punta kay Joseph Yo. 2 seconds to shoot. Joseph puts it up. Wala. And that will do it. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first 12 minutes of game number 7. And as advertised, in front of this full house, it is a close ball game. That's the score after the end of the first quarter, 21-18 naman po ang Pure Foods. Score ay atid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pilsen, ang beer na walang katulad. Welcome back inside the jam-packed Big Dome at magsisimula na po ang ating second quarter. But at this point, let's go to our coach's corner with Coach Norman Black. And Coach, how do you see the game so far?
Well, very aggressive game coming from both teams. Of course, Pure Foods really trying to take the ball inside. Richard trying to attack the basket. They've been getting to the offensive boards as well as getting a lot of inside points. On the other side, Santa Lucia really using that three-point shot to hang around.
Coach, itong Pure Foods, we see James Yap scoring only his first field goal. He did not score in that first quarter, but still they had the lead. Is that a good sign for them?
It's a very good sign for them. It's a good sign that Romelo Duco did not have that many fouls in that first quarter. Actually, didn't have any. It's a good sign that Roger Yap is bringing that basketball up without turning it over. Pure Foods with only 4 turnovers in the first quarter is a good sign for their team.
Coach, para naman sa Santa Lucia, they shoot 31% from the field. They said they were tight the last game. That's why they weren't really making a lot of shots. Can you be tight 2 straight games?
I think they're going to be ready to play today. I think their three-point shots really have to fall for them. They've been relying on that the entire conference. I think they need it again tonight. Paulo Mendoza's not here, so it's going to be really a strain on Kelly Williams to have a big game.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Norman, and we'll get your insights later on. At nabanggit nga po ni Coach Norman, Paulo Mendoza, he is suited up, but most likely will not play. He suffered a sprained ankle nung practice po kahapon.
At nabanggit na rin, Richard, yung wala si Paulo Mendoza. I remember in one of the games, I believe it was game 2, etong Pure Foods went into a zone defense and the only guy that could break it was Paulo Mendoza. If they know that Paulo is not playing tonight, baka bumalik yan sa zone defense at mahirapan ang Santa Lucia.
Yeah, we have yet to see kung deserve ka itong Pure Foods, pero palitan na po ng puntos dito. 9 points total for Peter Jun Simon.
And you know, the confidence of Peter Jun Simon, no rebounder, fast break situation, willing to take a 10-footer.
Ito, pumaposte si Norman Gonzalez. They did deploy. Pinoposte nila kung sino ba yung binabantayan. Ito si James Yap. Trying to tire him out. Williams. And it doesn't trickle in. Bola pupunta sa Pure Foods, DJ Giant.
You know, but you have to respect that ploy of Santa Lucia because Pure Foods right now trying to cheat by playing 3 small guys. Yung titingnan mo yung lineup ng Santa Lucia, mas malalaki. So yung ito si James Yap forced to guard a big man and they can post him up.
Yan po si Paulo Mendoza. Nakita niyo po, suffered a sprain in practice. And you know, that's a nightmare not only for Coach Boyet Fernandez, but for Paulo Mendoza. Alam mo, dream mo to play in a Game 7 of a championship series. Joseph Yo goes all the way. Kasi sabi, wala nga Paulo Mendoza, Joseph Yo has to work overtime.
Well, he is showing up in this game. Joseph Yo already with 4 points so far. They need that extra offense nang wala nga si Paulo.
At ngayon po, dalawa na lang itong lamang na pinoprotektahan ng Pure Foods. Noy Castillo, balik kay Kirby Raimundo, shoots a 3. Bang! Ian Perez, para dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
You know, that is just a tough situation para Santa Lucia. You look at the lineup of Pure Foods, they have ito si James Yap, si Noy Castillo at the same time. Tapos lalabas pa si Kirby Raimundo dahil si Kirby Raimundo kaya rin tumira mula sa 3-point range.
Poposte na naman to si Norman Gonzalez against James Yap. Yap with 2 fouls. Here's Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo gives it to Marlu. Marlu, short jumper is good. First 2 points lamang para kay Skyscraper. Ito na, transition. Fast break. And Peter Jun Simon is hacked by Norman Gonzalez.
Kung ano yung ginagawa ni Joseph Yo ng Santa Lucia, yun ang ginagawa ni Peter Jun Simon. He's running right away to the wing. If he notices that the defense is not looking at him, atake kagad and get those cheap points.
9 points for Peter Jun Simon. And make that 10. Missing in action in number 5 nga po. Ito si Peter Jun Simon. Pero sabi niya may pagkakataon pa ngayong game number 7. Ayaw na niya pakawalan itong pagkakataon na to.
Of course, you remember the last game that you play, and this is obviously the last game he's going to play in the Philippine Cup. And of course, he wants it to be memorable.
Daa! Wala! And, you know, this is what they did. Daa, binabantayan itong si James Yap noong game number 6. Almost every time pinupunta nila sa Daa sa poste, they want to tire out ito si James Yap on defense para pagod na siya pagdating sa offensa.
And of course, he's got 2 personal fouls.
Yes.
Richard, you get him on his 3rd foul. Ito si Coach Ryan, he will be forced to make a decision early in this first half.
Well, nag-decide na siya, pinag-switch na niya. Itong si James Yap at si Ray Evangelista ngayon ang kukuha dito kay Dennis Daa. Alright, ito naman si Joseph Yo. Joseph Yo splits the defense. That was deflected. Pero nandun si Marlo Aquino for the putback.
So right now, so itong Pure Foods going to a different lineup. Ngayon naman, tatlong malaki, Evangelista, John Dan Salvador, and Kirby Raimundo. Now the problem with this lineup naman, yung pagbababa ng bola, put so much pressure on Noy Castillo and James Yap to bring down the basketball.
Ito na, Jason, nakasolo na ngayon. Ito Santa Lucia and James Yap missing on a 3-point attempt. This is the adjustment we're talking about. Santa Lucia has found success, relative success in their zone in the series when they adjust doon sa middle part of the ball game. James Yap goes inside, challenges the defense of Marlo, nagpintis lang. Rebound here by Ryan Reyes. On the other end, Reyes to Joseph Yo. Goes up, wala pa rin. And what action we're seeing here. And the entire Pure Foods bench up in arms. Referees correct the ball back. Bibigay nila dito sa Pure Foods ang bola.
You know, that's a good call. It really went off the hands of Santa Lucia. Referees, nag-usap sila, wanting to get that good call, and that's what's important. As long as you get it right the last time.
Alam mo, delikado dito eh. No? So, sobrang emotion dito mga players na to. Mahirap, kalabitin mo lang, baka suntukin ka eh. Ito, James Yap! Everybody's at the edge of their seats. You know, everybody is holding their breath in anticipation of the result.
Well, a lot of them have not breathed enough sa araw na to dahil 1 out of 6 pa lang ito si James Yap sa araw na to. Malamig na naman ang simula niya. Pareho nung nakita natin nung game 6 of the finals.
There's Joseph Yo, 7 to shoot para sa Realtors. Kelly Williams, nabangga. At kanina itatawag itong foul na to. That's going to be against Kirby Raimundo. Pakalawa na rin yan.
Very frustrating para kay Kirby Raimundo because at his position, at the power forward position, he's probably the fastest guy out there if Kelly Williams isn't playing.
Of course, for Kelly Williams, he's offensive-minded. More attempts for him. He only attempted 11 times in game number 6. And I'm sure, binigyan pa siya ni Coach Floyd Fernandez na instructions to be more aggressive on offense. In the meantime, we have another timeout in the ballgame. As we continue the second quarter action.
Bilib rin ako kay Christy Kenya. Suot niya violet. Kasi yung green tsaka pag pula, pag pinagsama yun.
Violet. Parang tayo.
Tama naman, ha? Pati ikaw, ha?
Siyempre.
Pero hindi mo alam yun nung sinuot mo yung kanina.
Alright, here's Ray Evangelista. Ikot ng bola para sa Pure Foods. James Yap goes inside. James Yap twirls, puts it up. And Romano Duque wala pa rin. And for third time, ito naman si Kirby Raimundo. So patuloy pa rin ang masamang field goal shooting dito ni James Yap. Pero nandyan yung kanyang mga kakampi na tumutulong naman sa kanya.
Second chance points, Richard, para dito sa Pure Foods. That is their 7th second chance point compared to only 2 para sa kabila. Napag-usapan natin, getting Kelly involved. Well involved ito si Kelly so far.
And this might be the easiest basket James Yap will have the entire ball game, an open layup on a fast break. So once again, stretching the lead of Pure Foods to 5 points. So posting ngayon si Marlo Aquino against Romel Aducol. Marlo, matras. Pero may hawak raw, sabi ni referee Art Herrera. This will be called against Romel Aducol. Anybody is here inside the Big Dome for game number 7 ng ating All-Filipino Finals. Here's Denok Miranda. Denok Miranda ngayon, walang napuntahan. Marlo Aquino. Oh, he only had 3 seconds to shoot that one.
You know, one of the reasons Marlo Aquino is nahihirapan siya sa kanyang opensa. Napapansin natin, every time he gets the ball, the guards of Pure Foods dumadive sa harapan niya at sinusubukan sundutin yung bola. So he doesn't really have enough time para makadribble at gumawa ng kanyang galaw.
That's why when you're guarding Marlo Aquino, instruction mo dun sa bumabantay sa kanya push him away from the post. Nako, si Mark Pingris pa natawagan ng foul. Jump ball situation. This will be a problem for Coach Ryan Gregorio dahil pangatlong foul na yan itong si Mark Pingris. So babalik ang bola dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Kelly Williams this time against Kirby Raimundo. Denok Miranda. Ito, nahanap nila si Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams from the left elbow, kumalog lang. Pingris still doing his work board. 7 rebounds so far. 5:34 remaining in the first half. Roger Yap. Raimundo against Omolon. Top of the key, Raimundo. Strong move, spins, fades away. Short, nandiyan na naman si Mark Pingris. Another offensive rebound and a putback.
You talked about it at the start of this game, Richard. Offensive rebounding is the strength of Pure Foods. At ito, pinapakita na naman nila to. 9 points out of their total of 37 is coming from offensive rebounds, and they are definitely out-rebounding itong Santa Lucia Realtors.
Well, in this series, 2 beses lang na out-rebound na Santa Lucia itong Pure Foods. Ito ngayon, Denok Miranda, ang ganda pasa sa loob para dito kay Bitoy Omolon.
You know how important that basket is for Bitoy Omolon. That's only his first basket in 2 games. So yan, importante yan sa confidence ito si Bitoy Omolon.
Here's Roger Yap. Aducol. Nahanap ulit nila si Kirby Raimundo. Against Dennis Espino. Goes baseline, Raimundo. 3 seconds to shoot. Ito na ngayon, Roger Yap, sidestepping move, wala. Another offensive rebound. And almost automatically, 3 times down the floor, there's been an offensive rebound para dito sa Pure Foods.
Yung bantay ni Romel Aducol is actually cheating and trying to find out kung saan pupunta si Kirby. Tapos, binabantayan at ito yung nagbibigay ng help defense. That leaves the 2 best defenders, or rather rebounders, of Pure Foods open for offensive rebounds. That's Mark Pingris and Romel Aducol.
Aducol knocking down 2 free throws. You know, even the free throw shooting of the 2 big guys of both teams, Aducol and Aquino, have taken some spotlight. Nagkaroon sila ng a few seconds of fame dito sa series na to. Another rebound dito by Mike Pingris. Napatukan pa raw siya. Mike Pingris, alam mo, mag-double figures na sa rebound. Meron na siyang 9 rebounds so far. Same play for Pure Foods. Kirby Raimundo. 1-on-1 against Dennis Espino. Raimundo kicks it out. Open Roger Yap. No! Here's Ryan Reyes. Reyes sidesteps. Reyes goes up, wala. Andiyan naman si Kelly Williams. At siya naman ang napatukan.
But you can see Kelly Williams out of that rebound. Mas gusto na yung mga ganun sitwasyon eh. Not really a type of player that likes to create his own shot out of the dribble.
Ayan po, 10 points at 8 rebounds. Parang dito kay Kelly Williams, make that 11 points for K-Will. Kanina po nakita natin yung muling ina ditong si Kelly Williams. Here's Mark Pingris, ginugulong. Bitoy Omolon, Raimundo. Looking for James Yap, hindi makawala dito sa depensa ni Denok Miranda.
Denok Miranda, we haven't mentioned his name, but excellent job. Dahil si King James, hindi ba natin nababanggit yung pangalan?
Yun na nga no? Welcome back inside the Big Dome. Ito po Santa Lucia nagtataka makakuha ng first ever All-Filipino Championship. And for more about Santa Lucia, puntahan natin si Dominic Uy.
Thank you, Richard. Itong Santa Lucia Realtors, alam nila ang history ng Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Magaling sila bumalik, especially pagdating sa finals. But they are out to make their own history. Sabi nga ni Coach Boyet Fernandez, this is icing on the cake. Gusto nilang manalo today. They are very confident na mananalo sila today. And sabi niya, my players deserve it. That's why they are going for Game 7 for the win today and get their first ever All-Filipino Championship. Richard?
Thank you very much, Dominic, because you never know kung kailan ka ulit mabibigyan ng ganitong pagkakataon.
And if there's one guy that knows it, it's Coach Boyet Fernandez. He played in the league for 12 years and he was never able to win a championship.
All right. At yan po si Congressman Robbie Puno, also inside the venue. And of course, ikaw na mag-introduce doon, Jason.
Ay, yung
Parang kamukha mo eh.
Nakakatantang kapatid ng lolo ko.
Right. Senator Freddie Webb. Here's Kirby Raimundo. James Yap. Yap ngayon, drives. Nabangga. Kicks it out. 6 seconds to shoot. Kirby Raimundo. Is that a 3? No. That's only a long 2 para kay dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
Ibilip ka rin dito talaga sa Pure Foods. You know that the ball is going to Kirby Raimundo. You know that the ball is going to James Yap. But these two guys just have the will para makakuha sila ng puntos and they're really keeping their team alive dito sa puntong ito.
Ako, si Adukoy, 4 na ang foul nito si Romel Adukoy. Trying to prevent Dennis Espino from going to the post. And Dennis Espino knocks in the first free throw. 2 for 2 para dito kay Dennis Domenes. Total of 5 for Espino in the ballgame. Chico Lanete, pinasok na ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Ito, James Yap finally gets the letter. James Yap goes inside. James Yap, nothing there. Mintis pa rin, kahit lay up. Here's Denok Miranda. Miranda picks it out. Joseph Yo goes closer. Nilaglag ito kay Dennis Espino. Espino nasa raduhan ng pinto. Umatras-atras. Pasa niya. Natapik. 10 seconds of shot clock. Joseph Yo inside to Vittorio Molon. And that's a bullet pass coming from the Ninja.
And Vittorio Molon sa larong ito, he's right there where he is used to. Nandun siya sa ilalim. Last couple of games and in the last game, he took a lot of 3-point shots. Now, he's getting his confidence by getting those layups near the basket.
Once again, Kirby Raimundo. This time, lead on the part of James Yap. Alam niya na dinideny talaga yung passing lane niya. Nag-backdoor siya this time. Went against the momentum of the defense. Denok Miranda. Miranda looking for Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams launches a 3. Bang! Diemtres coming from Kelly Williams. A total of 14 points from Haywell. And will it spell the fortune of Santa Lucia? Well, titignan natin. James Yap spins. At ito, kinapitan na siya nito si Denok Miranda. Maswerte ito si Coach Ryan Gregorio dahil nga pag si James Yap naman ito struggle. Mabuti na lang si Peter Jude Sibon. Maganda yung nilalaro so far. Under a minute remaining, 5 seconds to shoot. Peter Jude Sibon. Offensive foul. Ang itinawag ni referee Joey Kalungkagin. Joseph Yo, high screen provided by Dennis Espino. Yo against Simon. Yo, binigay kay Dennis Espino at the post. Before he can make his move, may foul tinawag against John Dan Salvador. A lot of fouls, free throws have been taken already in this ball game. 12 for Pure Foods, 14 for Pure Foods, and 12 for Santa Lucia.
So Santa Lucia looking for his 13th and 14th free throw. Two things happened well para sa possession na yun ng Santa Lucia. They were able to go to the line with with a difference of 10 seconds in game clock and shot clock. Ibig sabihin yan, magkakaroon pa sila ng pagkakataon for another possession.
At Dennis Espino binigay na ang lamang dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. And there's the press of Santa Lucia. Naitawid naman ng Pure Foods ang bola. Working against the zone of Santa Lucia. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds differential sa game clock and shot clock. Here's Peter Jun Simon, 5 to shoot. Chico Lanete goes baseline. Chico Lanete with a floater. All right, last shot opportunity for the Realtors. Ito na yan, Joseph Yo goes against the screen, drives out inside, does not get the basket. And Salvador clears a rebound, and that will end things in the first half of this game number 7. Do or die Sunday, mga kaibigan, in this full house Araneta Coliseum. Alright, back to live action. Ito na po ang ating third quarter. James E. Yap. Ito kagad ang pinuntahan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio sa kanilang first possession, and James Yap really trying to take it strong to the basket. Alam natin, masyadong mahigpit ang pagkakabantay sa kanya ng Pure Foods or ng Santa Lucia rather in the first half.
You know, that's a setup play coming off the halftime break. At pinapakita rin dito ng Pure Foods is we know that we have struggled in the third quarter like you can see on your screen, but we're gonna go to our best offensive weapon on the first play para itong Santa Lucia hindi kaagad bumuelo.
Alright, at tanong natin kay Eric Reyes, ano ba pinag-usapan ng Pure Foods at half, Eric?
Well, Richard, nakausap ko si Coach Ronnie Magsanok at sinabi niya sa akin they really have to put a good defensive stop on Williams and Espino here in the third quarter because alam nila si Williams gumagawa ng third. Sabi niya, Game 7 is really a player's game. That's why they have to be patient and they have to battle it out. And finally, sinabi niya, this team is really a team of survivors. Kaya sinasabi nila sa kanyang mga players para mas inspired sila. Kaya kita naman natin ng first half, ganado even the players coming off the bench. Richard?
A major concern talaga para sa Pure Foods itong third quarter because Santa Lucia has outscored Pure Foods by an average of 8.6 points per quarter in the third quarter of the series. 8.6 points per game in the third quarter dito po sa series na to. At ito naman, Richard Yee. Hugot dito ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Gives Pure Foods ay 5-point lead. Sa paring naman ng Santa Lucia, ano kaya pinag-usapan nila, Dominic?
Dalawang bagay lang pinag-usapan nila. Defensive rotation dahil madami nga nalilibo sa ilalim. At pagdating naman sa rebounding, they need to stop the offensive rebounds. Itong Pure Foods TJ Giants na napakadami ng puntos na na-score nitong Pure Foods.
Alright, thank you very much, Dominic. And you can see the concern, of course, the rebounding. That's really a big concern. Yan rin po ang naging problema nila against Pure Foods in game number 6. Here's Roger Yap, a tough shot. Oh,
That's a bailout foul. Not a good foul on the part of Ryan Reyes.
Oh, kasi wala na nga sa balance, wala na sa forma.
Remember, for those that tuned in late, etong Santa Lucia, hindi ganun kalalim ang kanilang guard rotation niyan because Paulo Mendoza sprained his ankle in practice before today's game.
Kahapon lang napakarupo niya yung paa nitong si Philip Butel. So he stepped on the butel. Di ba? Kaya natapilok siya. Ito, 6-point lead na po ito ng Pure Foods. Playing in front of a crowd on over 18,000 po. Yung biggest since Game 6 of the 2004-2005 Philippine Cup Finals. Nung nanalo po ang Ginebra over TNT.
You talked about that good run of Santa Lucia usually in the third quarter. So far, in this third quarter, etong Pure Foods naman ang may magandang run because they have held Santa Lucia scoreless up to that point.
And look at this guy, Bitoy Omolon, making up for lost time. Wala nga po na puntos nung game number 6 na yun, already with 6 points. Here's Roger Yap. Kirby Raimundo. James Yap has an open look. Here's Denok Miranda, cross-court pass. Kelly Williams drives baseline, Nasaraduhan. Dennis Espino against Richard Yee. Espino, what's up? Yes! Total of 9 points for the captain ball of the Realtors.
We talked about one of the key guys to stop in the third quarter, Dennis Espino. Nabanggit yan ng coaching staff ng Pure Foods. And right now, that's the points coming mula kay Dennis.
Now off balance doon si Mark Pingris. Ito, turnover. Dennis Espino ngayon. Binigay kay Joseph Yu. Back to Dennis Espino. And Espino just ties the ball game at 50. And a quick timeout called here by Coach Ryan Gregorio. Santa Lucia once again starting their onslaught here in the third quarter.
Kanyang simugod sa dagsa ng tao dito at lakas ng ulan na walang pato siya ng wallet niya pero okay lang. Alas kanina nakasalubong ka naman ng isang 60-year-old all the way from Pangasinan dahil naramdaman daw niyang mananalo na ang Pure Foods ngayong gabi. Kaya back to you guys.
Kita mo naman talaga yung mga die-hard na fans itong Santa Lucia at ang Pure Foods. Sila rin po nagsasakripisyo, hindi lamang mga players. And Kelly Williams missing on the 3-point attempt. Todo-todo ang suporta ng mga fans sa kanilang mga kupunan. Here's Roger Yap, open look. In and out. Joseph Yo, sinalubong ni James Yap. Tabla pa rin po tayo dito, 50 all. Miranda orchestrating the play. Here's Bitoy Mulon. Bitoy. Sumugod. Fakes once, kicks it out. Lennox Miranda, 5 to shoot. Lennox, offline.
Well, actually had that first shot open, pero nailang siya kay Mark Pingris. When he decided to go for that jump shot, wala na sa balanse.
Every shot here is pressure packed, no? Dahil nga, the championship is on the line. James Yap! No! Here's Santa Lucia on a fast break. Lennox Miranda back to play to Kelly Williams underneath the basket. An acrobatic shot by Kelly Williams sends the believers of Santa Lucia up on their feet.
Richard, kaya merong mga deboto talaga at tumami ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia because of the athleticism of Kelly Williams. They are in the crest of an 8-0 run. Itong Santa Lucia, itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio forced to call an early timeout to stop that run. But still, his team has been unable to score after starting this quarter with their own 5-0 run.
17 points total para dito kay Kelly Williams. And Mark Pingris is bottled up. And another turnover here para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. As the third quarter has been their quarter so far in the series. Kelly Williams, ikot ng bola. Joseph Yo, inanap si Dennis Espino against Mark Pingris. Yo, posts up for 3. Bang! The end the rest para kay Joseph Yo. A total of 7 for Joseph Yo.
Itong Pure Foods need a basket right now. Santa Lucia on a tear, 12-0 run so far. They need to make a basket to stop the bleeding.
Eto, tingnan natin. May bigay ni Noy Casillo. Kicks it out to Yap. Eto na si Kirby. Kirby drives baseline. 12 moves. Si Pal palang inabot. Agawa ng bola. Napunta kay Pingris. 3 seconds to shot clock.
He doesn't know it.
He doesn't know it. And another turnover against Pure Foods. Back-to-back turnovers here for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
And you know, the turnovers piling up, Richard, sa quarter na to. Here in the third quarter, Pure Foods already with 3 turnovers. Remember, they only had 7 the entire first half.
Alright, ito po ang TM Press na binitawan ni Joseph Yo. At sa inyo ng bagong TM Discard SIM, 30 pesos lang, may bagong discarte ka na. That gives Santa Lucia 6-point lead. Ito na ngayon si Dennis Espino, sumugod sa loob. Dennis Espino umangat, pero may foul. Third quarter, except for one game na nagtabla itong production ng Santa Lucia Pure Foods. That was game number 2. And everything napunta na sa way ng Santa Lucia. Yan po si Dennis Espino, of course, the veteran. First pick overall back in 95. Looking for second PBA title. Tuwan-tuwa po ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia is making a serious run. James Yap. You know, sa lakas na sigawan dito, alas di mo rin madinig yung mga pito ng referees. And he knocks down the first free throw. Second free throw for big game James in this. 6.5 remaining in the third quarter. Santa Lucia on a tear. Here's Bitoy Molon. Bitoy guarded by James Yap. Bitoy Molon, nawala si James Yap. Binigay niya rito kay Dennis Espino. May mismatch against James. James falls down. Wala. And Espino takes advantage.
That's a good job on the part of the Realtors. That's experience. They talk about this team not having experience. That was an experienced play going to the big man in a mismatch.
James Yap, masyado malakas. Eto sa loob. There's Peter Jude Simon. They set it up. Simon. Who will they go to? Noy Castillo for 3. Too strong. And Santa Lucia grabbing that rebound. That's the thing that they talked about in the dugout, and that's what they're doing here in the third. Kelly Williams, strong move to the basket. He spins. He goes up. He does not get the basket. Bitaw mo lang for Pippen. Wala. Lead pass to Peter Junsimon na agaw ni Joseph Yo. Yo to Williams. Hihingi ni Denok yung bola. Williams wants to go to their captain ball. He spins baseline. Dennis Espino. And you know, Dennis Espino, sinasabi nga natin, he wanted to get the crown back in game number 6 at 22 points. Dennis Espino once again leading the way for the Realtors.
On the flip side, Richard, para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio, he's really shuffling his lineup right now. He knows in this quarter, seemingly, once again, nothing again working for his team. He started with a starting 5 that gave a solid start sa larong ito. It didn't work. Pinalitan niya, naglagay siyang 3 gwardiya. Pinagsabay niya, Castillo, Yapin, Simon. Ngayon, wala na naman yan. It didn't work. Now he switches over. Now he goes back. Kirby Raimundo, Adukol, and Pingris. He goes back now to his rebounding unit. Now let's see if this unit is going to be better than the last one.
Ito, Noy Castillo. Santa Lucia sticking to that zone defense.
Well, they went back to that zone dahil nawala na nga yung 3 shooter ng Pure Foods. Yan, 2 na lang. Ang natitira lang, PJ Simon at saka...
Oh! A big three-point shot by Peter Jun Simon.
Kailangan na kailangan yung puntos na yun, Richard. Pure Foods really bleeding for their points in this quarter. They needed that shot in the arm.
At ito naman po mga parakiyano ng Pure Foods ang sumisigaw ng defense. Is Dennis Espino. Dennis Espino goes up. Bola, napunta kay Butaw yung one fake. And he is fouled.
And in that sequence, Romel Adukol picking up his 5th personal foul. Nakapasok lang yan because ito Coach Ryan wanting to go with another lineup because the past lineup didn't work for him. Pero ito problema na naman para sa kanya sa pupuntang ito.
Izod, America's premium leisure wear, known for its technology, inspired clean designs, and colorful product lines. Visit an Izod store now. Alright, ngayon po, 10 na lamang ito Santa Lucia Realtors. Ito na naman ang kanilang press, full court press.
We'll talk about controlling the tempo. Pure Foods, big change in this quarter. 4 turnovers and Santa Lucia taking advantage of it. One guy para sa Pure Foods that has been solid in this game. Their super sub, PJ Simon. Siya na ang top scorer para sa kanyang koponan with 16 points.
And keeping Pure Foods afloat here in game number 7. Dennis Espino, short jumper using the glass. Once again, Dennis the Menace.
No, but that's miscommunication on the part of that screen roll defense. Wala, pareho sila sumabay kay Denok Miranda. Iniwan pa nila si Dennis Espino.
And Peter Junsimon once again going straight to the basket. Pero ang Pure Foods hindi pwede mapagsagutan lang dito. A total of 18 for Peter Junsimon.
You know what's big about those 18 points, Richard? He's done it in 13 minutes. Every time pumapasok si Peter Junsimon, offensively, he has been a catalyst para sa kanyang TJ Giants.
And this time, it's an offensive foul called on Bitoy Molon. 3.5 remaining here in the exciting third quarter. Kirby Raimundo sumugod sa loob, pumihit, umangat, and he gets the basket. So unti-unti na naman buhabalik dito ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. Here's Joseph Yo. One fake. Takes it out. Norman Gonzalez for 3. And over the back up.
Well, just like at the middle of this quarter, wherein Santa Lucia made its run, at this point, at the tail end of this third quarter, ito naman Pure Foods ang humaharurot. But right now, they are in the crest of their own run, eating into the lead of Santa Lucia.
They really can't afford to wait for the fourth quarter to make that run because you had more pressure to yourself. And bago pa yung tiro na yan ni John Dan Salvador, nagkaroon na ng foul, a holding foul called against Norman Gonzalez. So 6-point lead dito para sa Santa Lucia. Tatangkang ibabayan ng Pure Foods in this possession. Noy Castillo against Ryan Reyes. Castillo looking for Kirby. Oh, kick ball. So Marereset sa 14 seconds yung shot clock. It was down to only 6 seconds. So more time here for the Pure Foods TJ Giants to set up their offense. Here's Peter Junsimon. That's a continuation. No foul back. And Peter Junsimon
A lot of flack went to Peter Jun Simon after Game 5 when a lot was expected of him. Game 6, not a lot of things happening by Peter Jun Simon. Pero lahat yan, tila, bawing-bawi na dito sa ginagawang performance ni Peter Jun Simon. Peter Jun Simon already with 18 points, 20 points in 15 minutes of action. Make that 21. So lumalabas dyan, Richard. James Yap, slightly ineffective so far. Pero Peter Jun Simon able to carry and help his team stay close with the Santa Lucia Realtors.
Whose lead is now down to 3. Joseph Yo kumalugang tira. Offensive rebound by Norman Gonzalez. And so it's a reversal of fortunes dito. Ngayon naman to Santa Lucia is the ones crashing the board for more opportunities at the basket. Kirby Raimundo natawagan ng pang-apat na foul. So more problems. Apat para kay Kirby. 5 na kay Romel Adocul.
At to the fact, Mark Pingris, 4 na rin yan, Richard.
Alright, pasok yung unang free throw nitong si Norman Gonzalez as Denok Miranda checks back in the ball game. So everybody providing their A game. In the meantime, Van Heusen is the shirt of choice for the power dressers. Van Heusen dresses up the modern man endowed with distinction and clear-cut sense of style. Van Heusen best dressed shirt. Back to a 5-point lead for the Realtors. Is Noy Castillo. Castillo, binigyan ng screen ni Kirby Raimundo. Denok Miranda trying to employ the same defense on Peter Jun Simon. Tulad ng pagbantay niya kay James Yap. And Marlo Aquino matatawagan ng kanyang unang foul lamang, pero nasa penalty na nga itong Santa Lucia Realtors.
Marlo Aquino sticking his foot out and called for that foul.
Oh, Peter Jun Simon, kala niya, short yung tira, yung pala, ringless. Alright, so ito, James Yap, babalik na. 2 minutes and 15 remaining here in the third period. Pinalitan niya muna to si Kirby Raimundo dahil nga 4 na ang fouls ni Kirby Raimundo. Kakailanganin siya ni Coach Ryan sa ating payoff period. So now, titignan natin paano magre-react dito ang coaching staff ng Santa Lucia. You have a double-barrel threat, Peter Jun Simon and James Yap in at the same time. Marlo Aquino and a foul by John Dan Salvador. Nasa penalty na rin po itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. And Marlo Aquino on the line. Aquino, first free throw. Nako, nagpuntis. And later on, itong foul situation natin, will play a major role. Mas lalo na sa endgame.
Lalo na free throw shooting. There's going to be a lot of free throws that are going to be attempted. And you know, you expect a game like this will go down to a difference of 2 to 5 points. And all of those could easily have come from free throws.
Well, Marlo Aquino missing 2 free throws. Ito na ngayon. Peter Jun Simon goes against the screen. Simon, he gets the basket. Peter Jun Simon once again. A total of 22 points for Peter, or 25 points for Peter Jun Simon. 14 in this quarter alone. Marlo Aquino, na double team, natabigan ng bola. 7 seconds na titira sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia.
At Richard, parang napaganda pa that James Yap struggling a bit in this game. Peter Jun Simon forced to take a lot of touches and you can see the results para dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Only 1 miss so far, Peter Jun Simon from the field, and only 1 miss from the free throw.
Meantime, John Dan Salvador natawagan ng pang-4 na foul. Marlo Aquino had 2 misses previously. Ngayon po, na-adjustan niya kanyang tira. 5th point in the ball game para dito kay Skyscraper, pick number 1 back in 96, has 2 PBA titles, looking for his 3rd, and this is his 6th finals appearance. Baksak si Mark Pingris. Ito na naman Peter Jun Simon. Simon, ayaw promeno talaga. And ang bola babalik dito sa Santa Lucia. Well, Simon was all alone that time.
Yeah, but a good job by Norman Gonzalez na tumulong para mawala yung bola dito kay Peter Jun Simon.
Santa Lucia attacking the post on every instant on their offense. Ito yung piyot ni Marlo Aquino. Ay, sumobra! Ang bola makukuha pa ni Ryan Rose.
Buti na pansin mo, Richard, na ito Santa Lucia, they're going to the post. Itong Pierfoots, they are in penalty. You go to the post, really a lot of good things happen, especially if the other team is in penalty.
James Yap. Total of 10 points so far. Ang ganda na pasa kay Jonathan Salvador. May foul pa. Nobody running away from the challenge, mga kaibigan. And look at this great assist pass by James Yap to Jonathan Salvador. Absorbs the contact, gets the basket, and completes the three-point play.
But right now, Pierfoots, nabanggit natin, they've had trouble sticking with Santa Lucia in the third quarter. So far in the third quarter, Santa Lucia only +2, meaning they scored two more points than Pierfoots. So good job of Pierfoots to stay in the game and not lose focus in the third quarter.
And now they have a chance to grab the lead in this possession. James Yap nahirapan sa kanyang dribble, ginugulo. Got it over to Peter Jun Simon. Simon, siya na ang susugod, tatapigan ng bola. Recovered by Denok Miranda. It's a foot race. Miranda against James Yap. Cross-court pass to Ryan Reyes. Kelly Williams, 3 seconds to shoot. Launches a three, that's short. And that will end it. Was wild and woolly third quarter. And the Araneta Coliseum, Santa Lucia, ending things in the third with a 1-point lead, 71-70. Score ngayon ay atid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pilsen. Ang beer na walang katulad. We're about to start the fourth quarter of game number 7 as we go to the coach's corner. Coach Norman, Santa Lucia made a run at the start of the third quarter, but Pierfoots just refused to give up.
Well, really, Santa Lucia tried to deliver a knockout punch on the Pierfoots team, but really, Peter Simon was the one who really stepped up and really saved that third quarter for Pierfoots.
Coach, for Santa Lucia, Kelly Williams, 36 minutes so far in this game. Do you think he's ever going to see some time on the bench?
Maybe not. There's no time to rest right now. Anyway, if you lose or win, you can rest the rest of the season. So the next 3 weeks to the next conference begins. But if you look at this game, foul trouble might really determine who's going to win this basketball game. Both teams have a lot of players in foul trouble.
On the flip side, Coach Norman, with Pierfoots, Peter Jun Simon, he's been the hottest guy. We know Pierfoots likes to run a lot of screens and ISOs. Do you go to Peter Jun Simon now instead of James Yap in the fourth quarter?
Like we always say, Jason, this is crunch time, and you go to your best players. I think the ball's going to be in the hands of Kelly Williams and James Yap, and they probably will decide this series.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Norman, for your valuable insights as, Peter Jun Simon natawagan ng offensive foul. That's the second foul on Peter Jun Simon, as Coach Norman was saying. Really, foul situation will play a crucial factor. Not only that, nerves will play a crucial factor dahil fourth quarter na nga po ito ng game number 7. Face-up jumper by Marlo Aquino. Total of 7 points for the Skyscraper. So Pierfoot surviving that third quarter. Dahil game number 6, fourth quarter was the quarter of Pierfoots. And in this entire series, whoever wins the fourth quarter, sa'yo na nanalo ng ball game.
But an adjustment on the part of Santa Lucia. Remember that fourth quarter, Richard, Santa Lucia was in a zone defense. Nalibre si James Yap. Ngayon, hindi na nila papayagan mangyari yun ulit.
Quick pull-up by Kelly Williams, in and out. Marlo Aquino for that offensive rebound and a putback.
So that gets the Santa Lucia team on their feet.
Back to live action. Ito po si James Yap. And he gets his first 2 points of the fourth quarter. He ended the third quarter again with 10 points. Same as what happened in game number 6.
And his first shot, nakita natin dito sa fourth quarter, yung tira na yun, pasok. Remember, ganun din nagsimula yung 20-point performance niya in the last game.
Ito, missed by Marlo Aquino. Roger Yap ngayon nagbababa ng bola. And they're once again looking at James Yap. Tightly guarded by Denok Miranda. Binigyan ng screen ni Mark Pingris. Pingris ngayon ang sumugod. Gives it to Kirby Raimundo. 6 seconds to shoot. Kirby spins. Pasa niya. Naagaw.
A good help defense on the part of Santa Lucia. Pagka-spin ni Kirby, so many white shirts waiting for him at the post.
Here's Marlo Aquino working at Romela Ducoy. Marlo Aquino with a hook shot.
And every time Dennis Espino is about to check in, and you will see him, pagdaan natin ang camera dyan, ito si Marlo Aquino starts to make his basket. Para ito si Coach Boy, hindi niya na alam, papalitan ko ba si Marlo o hindi?
Ay, nandiyan pa rin si Dennis Espino sa sidelines. Ito ngayon si Roger Yap. Roger Yap, hinahanap si Kirby Raimundo. Trying to shake off itong si Ryan Reyes. Yap goes up! Yes! So it's like Pure Foods players saying that, you know, sige, you want to bother up James Yap, kami na lang ang gagawa dito.
Yap and Simon, they have been attacking the basket. Hindi sila natatakot. Miski maraming shot blockers itong Santa Lucia.
And they will go to Marlo Aquino. Aducol has 5 fouls. Aquino ngayon, 5 seconds to shoot. Humihit. Aquino, nice fake, kicks it up. 2 seconds to shot block. And Miranda misses that one. Big risk. High up for the rebound. Lead pass to James Yap. James Yap against Denok Miranda. Side-stepping move to Swan. Again, a bola. It ends up with Kelly Williams. Running down court. Williams to Reyes. Yes!
That's what happens when you miss a layup on one end. Santa Lucia is a team that likes to run. They're a quick team. If you miss a layup in this league, you're going to pay with another layup on the other end.
James Yap for 3. Bang! A TM3 from James Yap. Is this a sign again for Pure Foods? Titingnan natin.
James Yap, simply one of the best fourth quarter scorers in the entire league. And he's one of the best big game players at nakikita natin yan. Nagsisimula ng pumasok ang mga tira ni James Yap.
Hindi nila may bigay kay Marlo ang bola. Ikot na lang sa other end. Here's Ryan Reyes. To Reyes. To Norman Gonzalez. Nabuso ang shot clock. Sabi na referee, teka lang muna, Roger. Set up niyo muna dahil inabot na nga ng shot clock. Ito Santa Lucia.
You know, those 11 points really showed that he's a post presence. Most of them coming here in the second half.
Pingris wants the basketball. Posting up against Pitoyo Molon. Pingris ngayon. Na-double team. Nawala ng bola. Joseph Yeo gets it. At may kumapit dito kay Joseph Yeo.
But Kirby Raimundo picking up his fifth.
That's a 5th foul on Kirby Raimundo. So what's the move here by Coach Ryan? Will he stay with Kirby or pagpapahingay niya? Ito na, atakihin ka agad nila. Ito si Kirby Raimundo. Bitoy Omolon making his move. Bitoy Omolon. Nasa raduran is Joseph Yeo. Plenty of time. 10 seconds of shot clock. Yeo for 3. No. So Raimundo now with that rebound playing on borrowed time. James Yap goes closer. Nasa raduran. May foul na nakita si referee Boy Cruz. Pinapitan ni Joseph Yeo si James Yap.
James Yap is in this ball game. Pag nahawakan niya yung bola, Santa Lucia really ready to give up that foul.
Yap for 3. Bang! Another 2 from Joe Carlos Yap. A total of 18 points for big game James.
So we talked about it at the start of the game, Richard. Give James Yap a chance to win it for you in the fourth quarter. Right now, James Yap just dominating this game.
Espino, supalpal niya Dugol. That was a gamble on Romela Dugol, ha? He has 5 fouls.
But you can't quit now. You know, those fouls, hindi mo na mauuwi yan. You have to play your defense and hope that the referees won't call a foul.
Baksak dito si James Yap and there's a blocking foul. Ball against Denok Miranda. Ryan Reyes checking back in place of Denok Miranda.
But here in the fourth quarter, James Yap owns Denok Miranda.
Ito na naman si James Yap for 3. Wala ko nalaglag. One line. And the Pure Foods gallery ready to explode. Joseph Yeo goes inside. Left-handed layup is good. The Ninja slices the defense of Pure Foods and gives Santa Lucia back the lead.
Sakto-sakto sinabi mo, Richard. Parang ginamit niya yung samurai niya para makalusot ng tuluyan dun sa depensa ng Pure Foods. Another turnover para sa Pure Foods right now.
Well, just in time to catch that move by Dennis Espino, extending the lead of Santa Lucia to 3 points, 83-80. As makikita nga natin itong foul situation.
A lot of players from both teams really on the brink of graduating from this game. It is game 7. You can't take home your fouls.
Pero parang Yeah, ito yung mga main players ng Pure Foods ang may foul trouble. Niluwa lang ng ring yung 3-point attempt na yan ni Noy Castillo.
That's a heartbreaker para sa Pure Foods.
Under 5 minutes remaining here in the fourth quarter. Game number 7. Dennis Espino working against Adugo, kicks it out. Ryan Reyes for 3, bang!
Up to this point, Ryan Reyes, before this game, only 1 out of 13 mula sa 3-point region.
What a big shot there by Ryan Reyes. Ito naman si Noy Castillo, ginugulo ni Joseph Yeo. Looking for James Yap against Ryan Reyes. 9 seconds to shot clock. James Yap, chances inside. Wala. Nandiyan si Romel Adugol. Hook shot, masyado malakas. And Dennis Espino gets the rebound for Santa Lucia.
That's a couple of stops going in Santa Lucia's favor. One was a heartbreaker mula kay Noy Castillo, a 3-point shot. That one, the defense of Kelly Williams. This series or this game will be won by defense, and right now Santa Lucia's defense is stepping up.
Dennis Espino looking at the clock. Espino makes his move against Adugol. Espino gets the bounce. So Santa Lucia hitting one big shot after another. Samantala itong Pure Foods naghahanap ng kanilang puntos ngayon. They are down by 8 points. Here's James Yap. Here's Ryan Reyes. Pulls up for 3. Now! A couple of sorry misses para dito sa Pure Foods.
You have to feel for the Pure Food fans dahil nakita nila yun on the way down, just like we saw with Noy Castillo. A couple of 3-point shots, just an inch off. And this game, a game of inches, and that inch not going the favor of Pure Food.
Espino short in that 3-point attempt. There's Ryan Reyes. Wala pa rin. And Abulon hustles for that loose ball. All right, back inside the big dome. 3 minutes and 5 remaining here in the fourth period. Naman po ang Santa Lucia ng 8 puntos. Kanila pa ang bola. Joseph Yeo mingi ng screen kay Dennis Espino. Yeo against Mark Pingris. Looks at the clock. It reads 12 seconds. The shot clock. Joseph Yeo, Bumuelo. Joseph Yeo umatake. Joseph Yeo takes it out. It is tapped out. Meron pang 5 seconds sa shot clock ng Santa Lucia.
We talked about kanina, nakita natin Peter Jun Simon going back to the bench. He had a solid game in the third quarter. Pumutok yan si Peter Jun Simon. Pagbalik dito, scoreless in the fourth.
Oh, what a big shot again by Dennis Espino. Santa Lucia now with a 10-point lead. The faithful of Pure Foods and the believers of Santa Lucia.
Right now, the believers, or rather the faithful of Pure Foods, need to increase their faith dahil down by 10, 2 minutes and 40 to go. They're gonna need some points in a hurry.
And ito na nga, nagmamadali si Raimundo pero nakagawad siya ng bola.
Richard, in this quarter has been the quarter of Santa Lucia. Pure Foods only 10 points in this quarter. Santa Lucia, on the other hand, 19 points so far.
Here's Kelly Williams. He goes up, 15-foot jumper, short. Delok Miranda, sa palpal ni Kobe Raimundo. Lead pass to Peter Jun Simon. And Peter Jun Simon finally breaking the silence of the TJ Giants.
Just fitting that it's Peter Jun Simon scoring that basket. Ang tagal niya ring nawala sa pagkuha ng puntos para sa Pure Foods. He gets back into the game, he scores right away.
Ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Batteries. Walang dagdag, bawas sa tubig. And Santa Lucia may be under 2 minutes away from getting their first All-Filipino Championship. Ito, Roger Yap with the inbound chores. Finds Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo umatake. Kirby Raimundo goes up. Wala. Napika ng bola. Mapupunta. Kanino? Kay Ryan Reyes. And there's a foul as called. I believe this will go against James Yap.
That's just about wanting it para dito kay Ryan Reyes. Jumped over the ball, was able to secure it even if marami ng patating ng mga Pure Foods TJ Giants. Before that though, Kirby Raimundo, that has been the half for him. Only 2 points in this half, really struggling offensively sa second half ng laro nito. Ito si Kirby.
Araneta Coliseum, over 18,000 fans. And Dennis Espino, 20 points in the second half. This is a conference high for Dennis Espino, 27 points so far. And focus in for Denok Miranda. In the meantime, titignan muna natin ang ating boy coke shot. Ito, mapapanood natin ang kapitan ng Santa Lucia, Dennis Espino. That was our boy Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya boy Coke, buksan mo. A split from the line from Denok Miranda. Here's Roger Yap. Yap finds Peter Jun Simon. Simon ngayon, binigay kay Kirby. Shoots a three. Too strong. And Vitorio Molon gets a rebound. And no choice for Pure Foods but to foul. The team owner of Santa Lucia Realtor is obviously very happy. Flashing the thumbs up sign. And Ryan Reyes increasing the lead of Santa Lucia. And Santa Lucia is on the verge of getting their first ever All-Filipino crown.
And you're Richard, this fourth quarter reminiscent of what this conference has been para sa Santa Lucia. Leadership by the veterans, Espino scoring big time, tapos yung ambag ng mga baguhan. Kaya ng ambag nito si Ryan Reyes.
But Roger Yap.
So Santa Lucia, not really one of the better free throw shooting teams in the league. Actually, one of their problems is free throw shooting. And now Pure Foods lying their hope only on the free throw shooting of Santa Lucia.
And Santa Lucia has been very proud of their defense. And so far, here in game number 7, really forced a lot of turnovers on the part of the Pure Foods CJ Giants. Well, eto na ang inbound play. Roger Yap finds Noy Castillo. Fakes once. Takes it out to Kirby. Kirby shoots a three. That's offline. Vitorio Molon just holding on to the ball. And Roger Yap gives up the foul. 2 of 2 from the free throw line. But more importantly, it's been a defense also of Vitorio Molon.
Remember, Vitorio Molon, he's the one guarding Kirby Raimundo.
Oo.
Kirby Raimundo, like we said, only 2 points dito sa ating second half. So struggle para kay Kirby Raimundo. Only 11 points para sa kanya.
Ayan po ang mga deboto ng Santa Lucia. Dennis Espino, the veteran, playing like a veteran here in game number 7. Providing the experience for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Roger Yap again missing a 3. Tinapik ulit, balik kay Roger Yap. Roger Yap kicks it out to Noy Castillo. Extra pass to James. Yap 4-3. Bang!
Yeah, well, para kay James Yap, did he actually have enough touches in the fourth quarter? Kanina, binabantayan siya ni Denok Miranda. He really owned Denok Miranda in that first couple of minutes of the fourth quarter.
Well, it's just a matter of dito sa ating fourth quarter, there was a stretch that Santa Lucia hit one big shot after the next. Ito naman Pure Foods simply could not buy a basket. And that proved to be the difference. So far, 40.6 seconds remaining.
The difference, Richard, has been turnovers. Para sa Pure Foods, they got 18 turnovers. Santa Lucia, only 4 turnovers in the entire game. Excellent number, whatever league you talk about. You know, that's been the story.
And Santa Lucia was able to get 20 points off those turnovers. And if you look at the score, they're up by 10 points. And that's really the key stat here in game number 7. Castillo fouling Dennis Espino. Here's the Santa Lucia bench. Just waiting for 31 more basketball seconds to start their celebration. A historical moment para dito sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Dennis Espino continuing to add on to his conference high production in scoring. 2 for 2 for Dennis Espino, a total of 29 para dito kay Dennis Espino. Peter Jun Simon, that's too strong, and Santa Lucia gets the ball, and Santa Lucia will just run down the clock. Santa Lucia will win game number 7 as Coach Ryan Gregorio approaches Coach Boyet Fernandez to congratulate the champions of the All-Filipino Cup. The Santa Lucia Realtors winning their first ever All-Filipino Championship. What seemed to be an improbable has happened, ladies and gentlemen, for the Santa Lucia Realtors. Nobody really giving them a chance at the start of the season, proving those straight wrong, and now they are the champions of the 2007-2008 Spark